this video, I'm going to repair someone's house. So basically what happened is that it got blown up right around here. That whole thing's destroyed. So I'm gonna fix it, starting off with... Oh my gosh, I keep getting this text size. Wait, couch used to be here. That a couch? I need slabs. Where did the person get elm? It's nowhere near spawn or anywhere, really. Okay, right there. And I'll place one more wood there. Okay, we got a nice looking couch to look at the TV. The TV luckily didn't blow up. Oh yeah, it ends with elm. I gotta go chopping down trees. Luckily, they'll regrow. Chopping down some trees. Okay. Oh yeah, see, there's still saplings. So, up I go. I should craft them. Aha, there we go. Now this should be glass, all glass. Right here, but also need... I'm gonna mine out this stuff. Also, cobblestone floor is not that good. So I'll make it carpet. Oh, just smash the glass. That's fine. Okay, I won't smash the glass. Not anymore. Oh. Ah. Oh yeah, that's the pool. Luckily water doesn't fall down. Did it go down there? Ah. I don't think anything went down here. I don't even have a diamond pickaxe. Okay. This place looks a bit run down. But at least I've taken off all the... At least I think it's all. I don't need that. And that's just gonna flip me up here. I'll use some of my stone, I suppose. Just some stone over here so it looks good when you're going up the ladder. But again, that bit doesn't look good. It'll have to work. The most important thing, I need to take out my shears. And I'm taking off all green and replacing it with blue and yellow. Carpet. I don't know where I'm gonna get blue and yellow carpet. Nobody here? Nobody here? Okay, run. I mainly need blue and yellow. But here's the problem, I can't even find yellow. Pretty sure that's orange. Not what we want. Also not what we want. Getting thrown into here. Someone could easily come and backstab us. Just check. That this is an orange tulip? Yep. Okay, this! I also kinda need a bed. Installing a bed as well. Just more blue flowers, because it's the only one. Never mind. Thank you. Let's go. 12. Oh yeah, both 12. Okay, that's great. Where did I press? Where's the sign? Invisible sign. Okay, that took a bit. Oh my gosh, where is the sign now? Okay. Do 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 do. Where is the sign? Well, if the sign is just random, then it should go away when I rejoin. But then I have to look at the Leo Vegas ad again. Y'all feeling lucky? Take your chance to win the Leo. I don't care. Sign up today. Okay, skip. Hey, I'll grow back. Now, yes. Let's go. Forgot I need wool, which needs... How do I make carpet again? Right. Yeah, I need wool. Just wool. Lots of wool. And since there's no mobs, I can only get that from... Oh, this will take a while. Hey, some more. Yeah, that's good. It's a good amount. Now, I just have to look for grass. This is not a grassy area. So I'm going back to there because it looked very grassy over here, yes. Oh, that's great. Yes. More of that, please. Oh, this giant patch right here. Wow. Nice. Woo. Oh, whoops. Okay, I've taken a lot. I mean, like, I have dropped a few. And I dropped the seed. Oh. I'd expect to drop some of those. Oh. Okay. Can't even right click. I can't even click anything. Okay. Back to this place. And I'll get to it. Bruh. Ah, there we go. Oh, that is beautiful. Look at all that beautiful concrete that I can make. But no, we're not looking for that. We're looking for wool. Can I get wool? Put it in the back. Now I can make green carpet. Specifically yellow and blue though. Where did I get that light blue? Oh my gosh. That would look so good, but I don't have the supplies for any more of that. There's a problem. Actually, I might. I just need... Ooh, please. Just need more leaves. We'll need a leaf blower and the plum eater, because there's lots of plums that are coming from here. Anyway, that's good amount. Ooh, that was a double. That was like big jump. And in we go. Pew. Gotta break it again. And redo it. Okay. Now, in here, I'm gonna get light blue. My inventory's full. I think 16 will fill up the house. Yeah, that plum's gone. Yes, light blue is so good, but I've only found it once in Creative 5. I never find blue orchard fields. Oh yeah, I gotta fix a lot of this. Okay. Big job. Also install some glass. Can't make it blue glass. Yeah, they did tell us to make it blue glass. But first, the bed will go right here. Okay. Ooh, that's great. Voila. Easy. Okay. Yeah. Let's get this. Wait, no, that's the bed. Ah, now it's so hard to place them. To be on the block. Eee. Oh, that looks much better. Much better. The game is beautiful. Really beautiful. Just going to build a wee umbrella area. right around here with 2 pillars. Looks a bit unstable, I must say, but hey, it does the job. Okay, actually I'll take away this, put that right here. Okay. Yep, just to make sure no water comes in. Right there. There we go. That's great. Not like there is any water, but yeah. Now my next job, pull out my axe. I don't have to make it patternized glass. But it just has to be... Just what color glass could I use? Red. Oh, actually red would look really good. Now I don't want to overdo it because I still need other red for other things. Forgot that. Elmwood. Oh. You serious? There we go. Now how much more do I need? I'll go with another 10. Yeah, 9's enough. Will it work? Perfect. Well, house glow up. Only thing missing is the bed. Which, yes, I am going to get... Can I make a bed? How do you make a bed? Oh, you have to just make a bed. Can I make the bed now? Okay, lime green bed. Favorite color is black. Oh, I'd need 2. Okay. Magenta ceramic. Those are really cool looking, but too expensive. So, I am going to go... Wait, no, I need another... Oh my gosh. Wait, no I don't. Oh. Anyway, wool. Can I get wool? No. Easy. Is there any apples in my inventory? No? Oh wow. Don't need a stone pickaxe. And up we go again. For the final time. Hopefully the final time. Sorry. There we go. I'll throw these out. I'll eat them. You just eat them for no reason. What can I get though? Wool. 1, 2, 3. Slap that bed there. Finally, a black bed. The house used to be absolute trash. Now, oh, it looks so much better already. Wow. Oh, great. This is great. Wonderful. Beauty. And even though this is like, I'm gonna throw it out. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. It's fun.